Let's consider this program where we need to interchange the first and last element of a list. Okay, so let me consider a sample list and show you. Like list 1 is equal to, for example, I'm considering elements as 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. Okay, you can print the original list by writing print of list 1. Okay, suppose I'm displaying like original list is, so list 1 elements can be displayed, and now we need to basically interchange the first element and the last element. How do we indicate the first element? First element is indicated at index number 0 and the last element is indicated by index number -1. Okay, so let's do this. List 1 of 0 must be interchanged with list 1 of -1. Okay, so you can interchange like this. Again, you can write list 1 of -1 comma list 1 of 0. Okay, so once the interchanging is over, now you can display the updated list. Okay, updated list is list 1 you can display. Okay, so let's run this code and see the result. You can see this is my original list containing elements 1 2 3 4 5. Later we have interchanged the first element with the last element, so this must be 5 2 3 4 1. Okay, like this.